Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay. Today we have a short interview about IDN school, and there are several questions here, and please answer carefully. Start from number one. Please tell about yourself.
Uh, my name is Aris Sandiaga. My friend usually call me Ardi, and then I live in Citra Indah, and I born in Center Jakarta. 2009, July 22, and my hobby is reading a book, futsal, basketball, and sometimes I'm reading self-improvement book, sometimes storybook. And my dream in now, I want to be a programmer, and then I want to be a good public speaker, and maybe just that for my introduction.
Okay. Next, please give. Sorry. Okay. Do you ever become a trainer or teacher, and where is it?
Yes, I have become a trainer before. I was trained a student from Jakarta, that is with my friend ninth grade before. When I no when I seventh grade, and my friend is eighth grade. And then my friend, that is Keido and Rosan, I teach about basic code. That is Scratch. We make like a shooter game, and we make like catching fruit game. So we teach 3 days when that trainer, and then the second when I go to Raja's school, that is Al Iza. I teach to 20 student in there. That is in Banten, Serang, Banten. And I teach about Figma and Scratch, same like before. But before is I just teach about basic code, and in Al Iza I teach about basic design graphic. That is make poster like basic design poster, what is Figma, and like make dakwa poster. Yes, that.
Okay. Very nice. Next, how much money do you get from that project?
I have get the money from become a trainer. That is, I get 15,000. When I teach in Raja's home, I get 15,000, and then that's from the school I get the money.
Okay, very nice experience, yeah. And next question, what is your opinion about IDN school?
IDN is the name IDN is Islamic Development Network. So that means we learn about IT, especially in basic code, design graphic, and robotic. So in IDN, we get many lesson. If you already get out from IDN, you can be a design graphic, like you can make UI UX, and then you can make application like now I make a Codeler and Android Android application. Like in 9th grade now, I make name card application, calculator application, a radio application, and find my age, and another. And then now in Android Studio or Kotlin, I make like Bitako app. What is Bitako app? Bitako app is like there is zakat calculation, there is salat, prayer time, the schedule of prayer time, and then there is like uh, dua list in there. There is a menu in there, and then in 7th grade, I also learn about basic code, that is Scratch. So we learn how to make game, that is catching fruit game. There is catching fruit, alien shooter, bomberman cat, and attitude game, and another. And in the second semester, we learn about Woodbox. Woodbox is like same like basic code in laptop, like you make games same like in Scratch, but this is more hard. Like you must to use code, and you must to have more experience to go to Woodbox. And after we graduate from 7th grade, we go to 8th grade. In 8th grade, we learn like graphic design, we make UI/UX, we make animation, we make 3D design, and another.
Okay, very nice answering. Next, what is the most interesting experience during learning at IDN school?
Most interesting.
Yeah,
Uh,
interesting experience.
I have so many interesting experience because IDN is have so many event in here. What is event? The event is like you go to around a river, and then you go to leadership. There is like leadership camp, and you can in IDN have event that is like every week there is event like from student council. So student council is make event like watching together, or make some games like like playing futsal or playing basketball or something. And at the end have so many fun. That's why I very interesting in IDN.
Okay, any word for IDN school?
Thank you for IDN already give me occasion to study here, because IDN is good school from another school. And then once again, thank you for IDN already give me occasion to study here, because IDN is have a good facility and have a good material from the teacher, and IDN have a good teacher for teach you how to make games, how to do graphic design, how to make Android app. If you graduate from IDN, you can be a good programmer, good network engineer, and good graphic design. And IDN is have good dormitory teacher, because every week we get a Tasin lesson from dormitory teacher. And in IDN we get good we get a good lesson about English because what? Because English in IDN is the first language. Always we speak English every time, every day, from 7 o'clock until 8 o'clock.
Okay, thank you so much for all your answering, and that's all about our short interview. Let's say hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah nahmadu wa nasta'inu wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina. May yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, my name is Ari Sandiaga from 9th grade, especially Nancy grade. Today I want to presentation or explaining about my favorite project from 9 until 9th grade, especially in IT lesson. Okay, my favorite project in 7th grade, that is doing website. In website there is home, there is about me, there is Color project, scratch game, and another. So this website for send our project before after we already finish the project. Like if you already doing scratch project, you must do upload in website, and then you can put in your SQL. And then there is scratch game, IoT, multimedia page, IoT page, and another. So in here there is achievement 2 and like and another. So this website for make our more professional in your life. And then in about me there is like my address, there is my full name, there is my age, and there is my birthday. And is in Scholar project there is name card, there is name card, calculation application, and find my age, and other, and scratch game, catching fruit, block breaker, bomber cat, and then in IoT there is water station. In Dinia there is poster or player in there. If you click there is Akida, Wiki, Hadis poster, and Arabic composition. And in IDN magazine there is like our magazine from 9th grade, from 7th grade until 9th grade. So I upload in that menus. In gallery that is like our picture or our photos from 7th grade. So you can look on there. And the last is achievement that I have already get from IDN. And the second slide is about Figma. This is my favorite project. This is my favorite project in 8th grade. In Figma, you can make UX design, you can make poster, you can make web design, and then in here, my favorite project is make 3D web design. That is like in this picture, I make from Spline. Spline is like make 3D design. Like in here I make room, there is television, there is chair, there is carpet, there is wall mat. Then there is clock too. And in Figma you can make design like in this website. I make from in here Dinia lesson. I make poster in Figma, like Hadis poster, Akidah poster, and then the Hadis poster is I get reference from 100 popular hadis from book. Okay. And then in here there is like try for free and then contact sales. This is cannot click because I just make design web. If you want to click, you can make from HTML or PHP. And then in Figma there is prototype. Prototype is for like for make UX. If I use prototype in this button, you can go to another slide, like making slide in Canva, but it's different. Use button. Okay. The next slide. This is the last slide in this presentation. That is Codular project. Codular is that software that we can use from our laptop. We can make application from there. So easy to make that. Like I make name card, just use space, image, and image, space, and text. But in calculator app, there is so many code, but you can still learn. Like in here, I make basic calculator. There is square, rectangle, triangle, uh, trapeze. Yes, that. And then you can count what you want to count. Like if you want to use normal calculator, you can use this menu. If you click, there is like plus, minus, and the result. And then in here, square, you just put the number because the because if you just put the number, he will count and then you will get a result. And then if in Codular we make find my age too. Find my age is we just put your birthday, like maybe 2009 and 22 July, and then the application will count and get the result. And then we make a Codular application. It's so easy because Codular is just from website. So you not must to download the Codular because there is so many software we must to download like Android Studio. We also learn Android Studio, but it's so hard, and I don't understand what the teacher said. Because the Android is so hard, like use so many code. I think Codular is more better for you because that's make for beginner. Like just use coding block. But it's Android. If you use Android Studio, you will confuse how to make the application. But you also can use Android Studio because Android Studio is, I think, if you already know the Kotlin or Java language, you can get more result between Codular. And then you can scan in here. There is like QR code, and then you can scan. If you already scan the application, my application, the calculator app, will go to your gadget. So that means in my presentation there is 3 projects that I really favorite, that I really like. That is website I make from WordPress, and then the second is 3D website from Figma, and calculator app from Codular. Okay, thank you for attention. Thank you for listening my presentation. Sorry if I have mistake. My name is Arisan Jaga. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke, alhamdulillah, nama dua nasta'in wa nastaghfiruh wa na'udzu billahi min syururi anfusina wa min sayyiati a'malina may yahdihillahu fala mudilla lahu wa may yudlil fala hadiya lahu. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Okay, today my name is Arsan Diaga. I'm from Aiden Boarding School. Today now I'm 9th grade, especially 9th grade and 9th class. Today, on this occasion, I would like to presentation or explaining about country that I choose is United Kingdom or Great Britain. Okay, let's start the presentation. Introducing the United Kingdom. This country is currency, namely is pound sterling. That pound sterling is the large of the big money, because the Britannia or British country that have good economy at the country, and then not only have a good economy, but they have a good education system. Like there's many university in United Kingdom that we can go there. And then the size of Britannia or United Kingdom is 243 kilometer. That means it's more small than Indonesia, but they have a big economy and great education system. And then the population of Britannia or United Kingdom is 67 million. Yes, million. That means is more little than Indonesia, because Indonesia have 245, I think, more big. But that's why United Kingdom is more have good economy and good education. Okay, interesting thing at the United Kingdom have good graduates, because they have a good education system and have good university, like we can say University of Cambridge. That's one of good university in this world, and the second is good economy. Fun fact: United Kingdom is the five of the largest economy in this world, and then pound sterling is the five of the five of the rich country. The first is Kuwait, and second is I don't know, but they also using dinar, and then the US dollar is the 10th, and then the third thing, the United Kingdom is the 8th of the richest country. Like I already said, they have a good economy, so they can have a good education system. Because why? Because they have small size of the country and little people of the country. And then United Kingdom is a development country with the 6th largest economy in this world, and then the 8th largest in the world by using or parity. Okay, next slide is famous food and at the United Kingdom. It is served pie. This is a Britannian traditional food that made in Egypt, that make in Egypt at 1300. Cause why? Cause the Britannian or Great Britannian is part of Egypt, that old Egypt. Okay, next slide is good school at United Kingdom. That is University of Oxford, University of London, University of Cambridge, University College London, University West London. Like I already said before, they have a good economy and a good quality. So they can build a good university and invite a good person or good teacher to the country, and they can get more quality and more lesson, more better lesson than Indonesia. Okay, next slide is famous people that born in United Kingdom. The first is David Beckham. He is a famous football player, as you know. He is one of the legend in football history. And the second is Charles Darwin. Who is Charles Darwin? If you don't know, Charles Darwin is maker of theory that humans are result of modification from previous from apes. So Charles Darwin is have theory that human is that human is modification from the monkey. So there is like microba that we can say in Indonesia, and then go to fish, and then fish transformation again to the lizard, and lizard to the monkey, and monkey to the human. But in Islam, we don't trust that, because we believe that human is from human and then go here, and then so that means this is one of history from the United Kingdom. So there is in here we can get the lesson, that is the size of the country is 244 kilometer, and the population of the Britannian is 67 million. And in here the famous food is pie, made by Egypt. And in here we can get lesson is Oxford and Cambridge, that good school at UK if you want to go out from Indonesia. And this is famous people that born in British, that is Charles Darwin and David Beckham. And then thank you very much for your attention. Don't forget to give like and subscribe. Syukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.